Welcome to Creepiest Things That Have Happened to Me as a Nurse, Part 20. I hope the algorithm shows you this at night when you're by yourself. So, night shift. This patient had passed away. We had been coding them. Their heart had stopped. Eventually, the family was like, DNR, like cease and desist, like enough. So he was declared dead about an hour and a half prior to us going in and trying to clean him up. So me and another CNA named Lawrence was helping me, and we were cleaning them up. And I like to talk to the patient and use their name even though they're deceased, because I feel like maybe their spirit is still in the room, and I'm just like explaining what we're doing as if they're there and conscious, because that's just what I feel like I should do, and it is like respectful. And as I was talking to this patient and saying their name, I swear to you, and Lawrence was there and saw it, I saw the hand like move like towards me. Like as I was like cleaning them on the side, I saw and felt their hand like move like towards me, like towards like where I was like cleaning them. And look at that. I still get goosebumps to this day. I know that there's a lot of things that can happen after death, but like that one freaked me out, and I actually had to like take a break and go outside and like collect myself before I could finish. So yeah, what do you think?